Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3 and let me share with you how to check 4 different secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me enter the first code, which is also the shortest one, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and it is provided by Google. And the code is *##426 ###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. After tapping on events, we've got some further details. We can also show advanced view. Just tap on the 3 dots icon, tap on advanced view and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. If for some reason you cannot see anything here, no worries, just use this advanced view and this section will be kind of reset. So that's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225 *##. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we should have all the events in one place. So if you've got some events, for example, attached to your mail, then they will also appear right here. You will be able to check the holidays, some family events, holidays even in your country. So it is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. As you can see, I do not have any events saved. That's why I do not have anything here. So that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one, which will open the testing menu. And the code for it is *##4636 ###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone info, battery info, Wi-Fi info, and also usage statistics. Let's begin with phone info. Here we can check some technical details about the phone, so the email number again, the phone number, car network, data service or voice service. Of course, in my case, all of those gaps are totally empty, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. No worries, if you've got yours, then you will be able to check the data. What's more, we can run ping tests here. We've got the results, and we can tap on the 3 dots icon, and here we can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back and let's enter the usage statistics. We will check the battery info later on. So here on the usage statistics, we've got the list of apps and actually processes which are currently on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time. So for example, we can check that we've been using this game PUBG Mobile for almost 1 hour. But of course we can change the sorting type to the last time use or app name. So obviously after setting the app name, the apps will be listed alphabetically. Let's go back and let's finally enter the battery info. And as you can see here, we've got some technical info about the battery, so we can check the level, the scale, the health, also the voltage, even the temperature of that. So, and that's quite cool. And here we've got the Wi-Fi info, so we can check the API configuration and the status. Let's, for example, enter the status, refresh the stats, and here we've got the info, just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can, of course, run ping tests here also. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your CUBOT MAX 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.